Do you ever wish you could be a superhuman, getting things done faster and more efficiently than ever before? Well, with the power of AI at your fingertips, you can breeze through your to-do list with time to spare, leaving your colleagues and competitors in awe of your newfound productivity prowess. From crunching numbers to sorting through endless emails, with these AI tools, you can harness the power of technology to conquer even the most daunting tasks. But before we dive into that, we want to give you a sneak peek of our next video, where we'll be exploring some mind-blowing tech gadgets that can give us superhuman abilities like running on water and flying. Make sure to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss it. So buckle up and get ready to unleash your full potential and take your productivity to the next level with these game-changing tools. Runway ML. Runway ML is a cloud-based platform that lets you experiment with machine learning models and create custom AI applications. You don't need to be very good at programming to use this AI tool. Whether you're a data scientist, artist, or developer, Runway ML powerful tools make it easy to explore and innovate. The platform offers pre-trained models for image and audio processing, language models, and other tools like data preprocessing, model training, and deployment, all of which can help bring your AI vision to life. With its intuitive interface and user-friendly features, you can unleash the power of machine learning without needing a PhD. Copy.ai. Say goodbye to writer's block and hello to Copy.ai, your AI-powered writing assistant. With its advanced algorithms and user-friendly interface, Copy.ai makes it easy to generate high-quality content in seconds. With Copy.ai, you can save time and effort by automating the tedious parts of writing, so you can focus on the creative parts. Copy.ai also provides analytics to help you understand how your content is performing, so you can make informed decisions about improving it. From blog posts to social media updates to ad copy, Copy.ai has all you need to communicate your message effectively and efficiently because it gives you access to a suite of tools that help you generate headlines, intros, descriptions, and even full articles or blog posts. It also helps you customize your output by specifying your tone, audience, and length requirements while providing you with suggestions for images and illustrations that complement your content. So why struggle to find the right words when you can let Copy.ai do the work for you? Quillbot. Are you tired of struggling to write a clear and concise text? Say hello to Quillbot, the AI-based writing tool that can help you rephrase any text while retaining its original meaning. Whether you're writing an academic paper, a marketing pitch, or a casual email, Quillbot's powerful algorithms can suggest alternate phrasing and help you avoid common writing pitfalls. Quillbot also provides analytics to help you track your progress and identify areas for improvement. You can use Quillbot to analyze your writing style, identify your weaknesses, and receive personalized feedback. Quillbot is the perfect writing companion for anyone who wants to communicate their message with clarity and confidence. Assembly AI. Assembly AI is the ultimate natural language processing toolkit. With its powerful tools, including speech recognition, language translation, and sentiment analysis, Assembly AI makes it easy to analyze and understand the language better. This tool uses state-of-the-art machine learning algorithms to automatically transcribe audio and video files into text, saving time and effort. This can be incredibly useful for content creators who must transcribe interviews, podcasts, and other audiovisual materials for their videos or blog posts. From chatbots to voice assistants to sentiment analysis tools, Assembly AI has everything you need to communicate more effectively with your customers, users, or audience. Talk to books. Are you tired of spending hours reading books and articles to find the necessary information? Do you wish you could just ask a question and get an instant answer? With Talk to Books, you can do just that and more. Talk to Books is a powerful artificial intelligence tool that allows you to ask questions in natural language and receive real-time answers. This AI tool includes a range of features designed to help you optimize your productivity and efficiency. For example, you can use the platform to generate new ideas, find inspiration for your creative projects, and improve your writing skills. With Talk to Books, you have the power to become a superhuman, someone who can process and analyze information faster and more efficiently than ever before. There you have it, guys. These 5 AI tools feel like superpowers for boosting productivity and efficiency. They can help you save time, reduce stress, and achieve your goals faster than ever before. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos like this one. And be sure to tune in to our next video, where we'll be exploring some of the coolest tech gadgets that can give us superhuman abilities. Thanks for your support.